So in this video, I'm going to tell you about Twitter analytics, how actually it works, and basically we all want to know our. So you just have to type Twitter analytics on your Google Chrome, and after clicking on the upper website, that is Twitter analytics, you are going to enter this account home screen, which you can see right now. So I have already signed in, and here you can see my Twitter analytics for the past 28 days. So it is a 28 days summary which gives you idea about how much followers you have gained and how much followers you have lost. So here you can see for the past 28 days, my followers are 23,328. So my followers have increased to 23 right now. So, and right beside it, you can see my profile visits, which has increased to 63%. My profile visits for this month, that is March, are 4,032. My total engagements, and this is really amazing, 1,33,000 total engagements in just 27 days. You can see my tweets. I have increased my tweets from 300 to 656, and here you can also see right at the bottom top follower. So my top follower is Simona. Top follower means the follower which consists more followers. Simona is an actress, and I am really thankful that she followed me. Your tweets earned 1,33,000 impressions over this 28-day period. So you can find this by clicking on the tweets button. So you can see tweets button at the top of this screen, and here you can see this chart which represent that on Monday my engagements increased, Sunday how much engagements increased, on Tuesday it went to 4,419, and on Sunday it increased to 7,320. So these are the basic structure of how many followers read your tweets, how many followers view your tweets, and this is really amazing. You will definitely get very inspiring, ideas about how you are doing on Twitter, and this will definitely boom your monetary requirements. You will definitely earn money if you come in contact with so many companies. So on Saturday, my engagements were, 7,000. So here now, date range. Now I am talking about that you can also see that how many followers you have increased from past 2 months to the present month. So right now I am doing a differentiation between July and March. So right now I am selecting it. So the date is I am selecting July 2, and here I am selecting the end month, that is March. Okay, because right now it's March, so I am going to check my Twitter analytics for the past 90 days. So here we go. So I have selected this date. You can see here that this is March 26. So I'm going to update it, and you can see on the screen that your tweets earned 3,56,000 impressions over this 89-day period. So you can not just see your analytics for just one tweet or just tweets of 1 month, but you can also do differentiation. And this is really shocking. Your tweets earned 3.5 million impression over this 91-day period. So it is between August and November. So these are the impressions of August to November, and this is really impressing for me because August is also my birthday month, and it was like a surprise for me because I have raised voice on education. I have already tagged Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank because I was raising the issues of the students of this country. So I got brilliant impressions. 3.5 million means my tweets were read by more than 30 lakh people across the nation. So this is really surprising, and this tells us that on Twitter we start by very small engagements, but we can build our audience if we really write neatly, if we really write something important. So you can just see that this is one of my tweet which you can see on the screen, that life is the shadow, and you just do not have to reply every time to people. You just have to say that no response is also a response. So this was the tweet which got 685 impressions. So I'm just telling you that you just have to write only 3 to 4 lines, and here you can see impression individually, that total engagements are 14 on these tweets. So this is the whole idea of analytics, where you can see that how many people are reading your tweets. Millions of people will definitely read your tweets if you are writing regularly, if you are writing something important, if you bring something which is valuable, which adds value to the life of someone. And this is really very, very wonderful. You can come in contact with so many brands, with so many companies on Twitter, and Twitter is really a good information. It's not a toxic platform as many people says. It totally depends on what you add. If you add value to someone's life, then this is really impressing. So your tweets earn 2.1 million impressions, and this is July to September. You can see here, मन की नहीं student की बात. So this is what I have written when the students of the country were demanding postponement of the exams. So I raised their voice on Twitter. So if you like my content, if you like my video, we can also connect with each other on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter by Ashish Vashish7. You can find me there on Twitter, and I talk about mental health. I talk about politics, Indian politics basically, education, and how we can connect with each other by raising voice that matters the most. So please follow me there.